Hey everyone, welcome to my video. Today, I'm going to be talking about whether you can learn trading in 3 months. So, can you learn trading in 3 months? Well, the answer is yes, it is possible to learn the basics of trading in 3 months. But it's important to remember that becoming a consistently profitable trader takes a lot more time, effort, and experience. There are a few key things you need to learn in order to trade successfully. First, you need to have a good understanding of the market. This includes understanding the different types of assets that you can trade, as well as the different factors that can affect their prices. Second, you need to learn how to analyze the market. This includes using technical analysis to identify trends and patterns, as well as fundamental analysis to assess the value of an asset. Third, you need to develop a trading strategy. This is a plan for how you will enter and exit trades, as well as how much risk you are willing to take. Once you have learned these basics, you can start trading with a demo account. This is a way to practice trading without risking any real money. One bonus point that I would like to add is that it is important to have a positive attitude and be willing to learn from your mistakes. Trading is a complex and challenging activity, but it is also very rewarding. If you are willing to put in the time and effort, you can learn to trade successfully. Conclusion. So, there you have it. Is it possible to learn trading in 3 months? Yes, it is possible to learn the basics in 3 months. But becoming a consistently profitable trader takes time, effort, and experience. If you are willing to put in the work, you can achieve your trading goals. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And if you are interested in learning more about trading, I encourage you to check out the resources that I have linked in the description below.